Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out this Dutch oven pot lid holder. It's made out of beech wood here. Pretty sweet, has a little groove there for the lid and nice solid wood construction here. So this fits right down here in your handle of your Dutch oven. And then the lid portion, you can either slides right down here on there like that. So if you want to hold your lid like this, kind of out of the way, or it can be tilted back. You can switch it around this way if you want. And this just kind of maximizes your counter space. This lid is kind of large and cumbersome, and if you don't have a lot of counter space, maybe you got a potluck going on, you want your lid to be open here, but you don't want it on the counter because you got all your other food out there ready to eat or whatever. So this thing is pretty handy. It's even though these Dutch ovens are super heavy, this is like a solid wood. I have no fear of it like cracking or anything like that. It's pretty sturdy. Just make sure that your lid portion here fits the dimensions given. And yeah, but a handy little device. Dutch ovens are really nice to cook in. And this just kind of allows you to maximize your storage and keep organized and everything. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. Hope it was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.